Paramshanti. Welcome. This is a journey inward into the timeless memory of your soul, into a space where supreme peace already exists, untouched, undisturbed. Soul memory is not about remembering a past life or a distant event. It is the gentle remembrance of who you truly are, beyond a name, beyond a body, beyond the roles. A being of light, a being of peace. When you remember your soul, you remember your truth. In the noise of daily life, we forget. We begin to think we are the chaos, the anger, the fear, the identity. But these are the layers, not the core. The soul is silent, the soul is still, the soul remembers peace. Sit in silence, breathe, turn inward. In that stillness, the soul awakens, the memory returns. Not from thinking, but from being. You don't create peace, you uncover it. And what emerges is not ordinary calmness, but a peace beyond understanding, supreme peace. A peace that needs no reason, no condition. It simply is. This is your soul's original nature. This is your true home. Just a few moments each day to remember your soul, to return to the peace within. With practice, you live from that peace, speak from that peace, serve from that peace. You are peace, and supreme peace is your birthright. Remember and return. Paramshanti, Paramshanti, Paramshanti.
बेहद की परम शांति सोचो